3 things from Wish. One's dinosaur eggs. And this is a squishy toy. And I don't know what this is. Let's get opening.
You gonna talk about the other squishy toy first?
This squishy toy got beaten up because my baby sister ripped it.
Let me see it. What does it do? Squeeze it?
Yeah.
Move it out the way. You're gonna leave it there? Later.
Oh, there's a little cat.
Set the plastic to the side. What is it?
It's a kitty. A relaxing kitty.
Let me see. Show it to the camera.
Now let's put on the wall.
How you know it sticks on here? Oh, yes it do.
Mommy, look! From my background. I already know what's inside of it.
Let's see that one. Let's see it.
Great.
Is it squishy? Let's
Yeah.
see.
Ah!
You're always dropping something. Let's see.
Now let's keep it up on the wall. Oh. It's not gonna stay.
Set it on the table there. Put it on the mirror.
Wait, what? Relax and keep on your mirror. No! Yeah, this one's to relax on the floor. No. Sorry. Now let's open the last one. That's orange.
Is there another white one?
Yeah, but it's orange and black. Relaxing kitties on the mirror. Now let's open this.
You think they gonna stay up there the whole time?
Yes. It's gonna be for my background, though. Exactly, I knew it. I didn't realize you were gonna be this small. A dolphin. A unique dolphin.
What's a unidolphin? So what's a unidolphin?
Oh.
Why'd you call it a unidolphin?
Because it has a wheel.
Is it squishy?
Yeah. I can roll it up into a ball. I like it.
You're supposed to like that.
Ah! Ah! She does.
What else you got? What are those?
You know what? We got, Daddy, can you get the bowl of water?
Take them out first.
You have to do it carefully because two already hot.
Don't break it. I think you're supposed to put it in the water.
But some are already breaking. Ooh, a blue one. There's blue of each. Partner up. Partner up. Wait, when did you get the water? They're all hugging for their mama. This is their mom. This. These are my babies. Get away. They're so cute. And mommy's here. Mommy's here. Wait, why are you squishy? Wait, I am. Because I'm a squishy toy. Duh. And I could have baby dinosaurs in there. Ooh, I just found this out. And it has a heart on its belly.
All right, let's see.
I already showed them.
Oh, okay. Here's your water. Anything happening? What about the dinosaurs is out? Is it in the bag? Put those in there too. I think they get bigger. Should be 2 in there. Are they cracking or anything?
No.
Is the color coming off?
No. Nothing's happening.
This is good.
What? What's happening? Because I don't see any cracking. It's taking a while for these to hatch, so we're gonna check on them later. And this one is hatched without the egg going in it. It breaks open somehow.
It's gonna grow though.
Yeah, but it's gonna grow though.
So leave it in there.
So we're gonna leave it in there. And I like to touch it because it's so fuzzy.
Okay, we're gonna check back on later.
Okay. Subscribe to my page, bruh.
Your gift with the purchase of 2 or more.